What's going on, everyone? Welcome to Moonbuilt Garage. Since you clicked on this video, I'm assuming that you've been considering swapping out your halogen headlight bulbs for LEDs, or that you've tried out some different LED bulbs and just haven't found a set that works for you. That's kind of the situation that I've been in. One of my earliest videos I did where I actually swapped out my halogen bulbs in my 2017 Charger RT. I'll link to that up here. To say that those headlights were anything less than dangerous would be a severe understatement. Those things were horrible. There was no light output. The beam pattern was just horrible. You couldn't see jack going down the highway with those LED bulbs. And since then, I've tried out different LED bulbs to see if I could find a set that really worked for me, especially when it comes to like a projector style headlight like I have in the Charger. So then I was scrolling through YouTube the other day, probably about 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, something like that. I came across a video. Now, I wish I had kind of wrote the guy's name down or saved a link to the video, or else I'd give him credit, but he swapped out his halogen bulbs in his Tacoma for a set of LEDs. And I was impressed. You know, the light output looked really good. They were, it really looked like they pushed down the road real well, lit everything up. You could really see nicely with those bulbs. So I ordered a set. And guys, I'm impressed. I mean, that's an understatement. So here's a picture I took the other night when I got home from work. I backed into my driveway since it slopes up, so that you really get a good shot of the beam pattern coming out of my headlights. I mean, those things honestly look like two spotlights coming out of the front of the car. They have a really nicely defined beam pattern, but the side output and how far they project, unfortunately in this picture you can't really see it. So took a camera with me to work the other day, and when I left work, I put it up in the dash. And here's some video I took coming home from work the other night. All right, guys, so hopefully you can hear me all right. Hopefully the camera shows this correctly. So these LED lights, I mean, what I'm going to try to do is I'll try to put up the old original video that I did with the halogen bulbs compared next to the other LEDs that I used. But these are incredible. I really hope this shows up appropriately in the video. I mean, these LEDs, you can really see just how far they actually push down the road. You can kind of see the individual beams, like I showed in the picture that I took outside of my house, where in the driveway shot, where the two beams are pretty easily identifiable. I can see them driving. Hopefully, like I said, hopefully they show up well in the video. Like I said, these things really do push down the road really well. And so hopefully that video really shows just how well these lights project down the highway. I won't know until I go and edit all this video. But to say that I'm impressed with these bulbs, I mean, that doesn't even do it justice. As a matter of fact, so the company, these are the bulbs here, these Oxydo bulbs. Now, I'm impressed enough that I signed up actually as an affiliate just for this video. There's a link down below. It is an affiliate link, so if you decide to go and make a purchase, I will receive a small commission. Won't affect your guys' price at all, obviously, but I mean, that's how impressed I am with these bulbs. As a matter of fact, I even signed up to get you guys a discount code. I'll put it on the screen here, and it's next to the link down below also. If you use my link, like I said, I get a commission. If you use the discount code, you'll get 15% off. I mean, I can't, I don't even know. I don't even know how I can convey to you guys just how impressed I am with these bulbs. Check them out. They offer pretty much any bulb you're going to need, you know, for your application. Now they do make some where the bulb is adjustable. You can change the alignment of the LED head to get proper alignment in your headlight if you need it. Mine are non-adjustable. They're kind of fixed, but it obviously doesn't affect the function. And in my projector bulbs, your application may vary, but check them out. Again, Oxido, here's the picture of the box. Link down below, check them out. I appreciate you guys for watching. Hit that subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you on the next one.